Hello, in this video we're going to solve linear equations. They will have the unknown on both sides of the equation, there'll be some with brackets, and there'll be some with fractions. Nice easy one to start with. X plus 4 equals 7. 4 has been added onto the x, so all we have to do is to take that 4 off, remembering to do it to both sides of the equation, and the answer is that x is equal to 3. Next one, 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. You have to subtract the 4 first. Remember that if you were doing BODMAS, the addition would come after the multiplication. But when you're undoing this equation, it's a bit like undoing 2 knots on a shoelace. You have to start with the one that was done second. So you have to subtract the 4 first to get 2x equals 6. And then you divide by 2 so that the answer is x equals 3. If there's any brackets, I always find it's better to work out the brackets first. And that's what I've done here. I've expanded the bracket to get 2x minus 8, added on the 8 so as to remove the minus 8, and then I have divided by 2 to get the answer x equals 9. Very often the x's appear on both sides of the equation, and in this case there are brackets as well. So I expanded the brackets, and what was on the right hand side I moved to the left, changing the signs of course. I then collected up the x terms and the number terms. This gave me minus x minus 23 was 0, and that means that x is minus 23. If you have an equation with fractions in it, I always think the best thing you can do is to get rid of the fractions as soon as possible. What I've done here is to add those two fractions together just like I would do with an arithmetic fraction. The common denominator is 6. I then multiplied by 6, and after that it's pretty well what we've done on the previous example. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Goodbye for now.